Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on an insider's tour of Cartagena, Colombia. Get ready for tips and recommendations to help you experience this beautiful city like a local. Many visitors to Cartagena stick to the well-trodden tourist paths, which means they often miss out on the city's hidden gems and authentic cultural experiences. Navigating the city like a local can be tough if you don't know where to start, but don't worry, we're here to help. First, immerse yourself in the local markets, like Mercado Basurto. Here, you'll find a vibrant array of fresh produce, spices, and handcrafted items. It's a feast for the senses and a great way to experience local life. Next, dive into the local cuisine. Try traditional dishes such as sancocho, a hearty soup, or arepa de huevo, delicious corn cakes stuffed with eggs. These culinary delights are a must-try. Don't miss exploring the lesser-known neighborhoods like Gethsemane. This area is full of vibrant street art, live music, and infectious energy. Interact with the locals. They're friendly and always eager to share their stories. One of the most memorable experiences in Cartagena is stumbling upon hidden spots like this family-run cafe in Gethsemane. Imagine joining an evening meal, dancing, and sharing stories with the locals. It's these spontaneous moments that truly capture the spirit of Cartagena. To sum it up, explore local markets, savor traditional dishes, wander through vibrant neighborhoods, and connect with the locals. These tips will help you uncover the true essence of Cartagena. We'd love to hear your tips for exploring Cartagena. Please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures, and check out our other videos for more destination recommendations. Happy travels!